Hey guys, Dr. Marr here. It is 7:30, 2015. I just wanted to come out to the lake here and, oh, there's a fish just jumped there. Cool. And basically kind of recharge. I was charging in the pool a bit ago, but I love how the water goes right up to the trees. In some parts of the world it's not like this. And anyway, there's a lot of energetic waves coming in right now, and balancing out the work and play. It's really a good idea to get out into nature, ground yourself, recharge, and I've been pretty balanced over the past week or so due to getting out into nature like this, getting your feet into the water or the soil, charging with the sun, and aside from a little bit of traffic there, you can see that little bridge there. You can actually take your boat, pontoon boat, over under the bridge there, and there's a small portion of the lake over there, and it's kind of isolated, so you get some peace and tranquility if you want that. I don't know if you can see these little gnats. That's what I guess we call them here. Maybe they're little mosquitoes, but swarming in front of me. But yeah, I figured maybe I'll just record a little bit of this nature here for you to enjoy. Like I said, I think this gentleman here is going to be parking his boat, and it'll be quiet and peaceful here. Sun's going down. But I gotta tell you, like as soon as I pulled in here and I got out of my car and started over to the lake, it was like my heart chakra opened up, and it's almost like I can't catch my breath here. And so, to me, it feels like the energies that are coming through obviously are affecting our planet, and especially bodies of water and these trees, these beautiful trees, ancient. And so if you're sensitive, you can kind of tune into that. You can hear the birds in the background. Comes a little wave coming in. I hear a woodpecker in the distance. What's interesting is I was just looking at this, seeing where he left his mark on this old tree. Maybe I'll go up into the woods here a little bit. You can see all the acorns on the ground. Things are coming off early this year. There's like a lot of food for animals. Uh, the apple trees at my mom's, usually they're not ready till the end of August, and we've been picking for the last week, and she's been making apple pies, which of course is a detriment to me because I love it. trying to trying to Oh, there goes a chippy, giving him the alarm. And anyway, it's all about balance with your food and with what you're exercising and work and play and all that. So lush and green here. You can see the sun just hitting the tops of the trees up there. So you can see there's no electronics out here. And there's no cell service, at least not right where I'm at right now. So I'm going to have to upload this here in a little bit. So this is all fuzzy. Hopefully this isn't too annoying, but I'm going to walk through here. See these little wee hemlock trees getting their start. More chipmunks. But anyway, whenever you see things paying attention to nature, and when there's a lot of feed for the animals, a lot of times it means that there's going to be a pretty significant winter, and the planet will provide for the animals or inhabitants of the earth here. So when you start to see all that abundance, a lot of times that is an indicator. And like I've said in the past, I've hunted in the past. Growing up, that was just what you did in Pennsylvania. It was how I was born and raised, and of course we didn't waste anything. It was a joy to go out and do that, but I haven't been really inspired to do that for the past probably 5 years. You hear there's a little highway right out there where I'm gonna head, where my car is. And anyway, I thought I'd get you guys out into nature a little bit and show you some of this wilderness that I get to enjoy daily if I make time, which I usually do. And again, it's a choice. So if you have the opportunity, get out into nature and just see how it feels to your physical body. Your body's there, your guidance system through this thing we call life. And so sometimes that's all you need to do. Get out into nature and regroup and center yourself, I guess is the best word. Oh, there's some flowers here. Let me turn this around. And there happens to be a bee right there. Pollinating. Doing its job that bees do. So I'll get one more shot of the lake here. There's some stones here that you could sit on. But anyway, I guess I'm going to sign off. It's almost 10 minutes here, so I'm going to send you guys love, light, and laughter.